This video shows how to install multiple eSquare Studio versions in one computer. If you do not wish to overwrite the eSquare Studio already installed in your computer, you can use a different installation location for the new version. Run the eSquare Studio installer, select Install from the installation wizard. Click Change to change the folder name. You may want to include the version information in the folder name for easy identification. Click OK. The new version of eSquare Studio will be installed in the location specified. Click Next and follow the instructions of the installation wizard. To prevent overwriting the existing eSquare Studio shortcut in the Windows Start menu, change the shortcut group name to distinguish the different versions. You can run eSquare Studio by launching it from the Start menu group created. To uninstall eSquare Studio, go to eSquare Studio installation location and run uninstall, uninstall.exe.